In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change all layers to one color in AutoCAD. Start by opening your drawing, then head to the Home tab. In the Layers panel, click Layer Properties to open the Layer Properties Manager. This is where you control how your layers look and behave. If your interface looks a bit different, that's okay. Workspaces can vary. You can also type LA or Layer in the command line to open the same manager. With the Layer Properties Manager open, select all the layers you want to change. The quickest way is to click the first layer in the list, hold Shift, and click the last one. You'll see multiple rows highlighted. This tells AutoCAD you're about to apply a change to all of them at once. If you need to leave out a specific layer, simply hold Ctrl and click to deselect it before continuing. Now, look for the color column in the layer list. Click the color swatch for any one of the selected layers. Even though you click just one, the color change will apply to every layer that's selected. This is a great time saver compared to changing them one by one. The Select Color dialog will appear. Here you can choose from Index Colors, True Color, or Color Books. Index colors are the standard AutoCAD palette and are often used with color-dependent plot styles. If you're plotting with CTB files, keep in mind that color often controls line weight and screening, so choose thoughtfully. Color 7 is commonly used for contrast, but it can appear white or black depending on your background. When you've chosen the color you want, click OK to confirm. Back in the Layer Properties Manager, you'll see the color column update for all the selected layers. Every object set to by layer will instantly reflect the new color throughout your drawing. If something didn't change, it usually means that object was assigned a color directly instead of by layer, or it's coming from an external reference. You can still proceed, your layers are updated correctly. If the screen doesn't refresh right away, zoom in and out or trigger a quick redraw to see the change. That's it. You opened Layer Properties, selected all your layers, changed the color once, and applied it everywhere in one go. Before you move on,